Feeding birds is a fun way to interact with nature all year round, but providing suet in the winter can provide extra calories and fat that winter birds need to stay warm and fed through the cold months. Buying suet cakes is what many bird lovers do, but did you know you can make your own? It's easy. Involving your kids is great too. Here's what you'll need: a disposable container, a fat source, such as lard or beef fat poured off and saved after cooking, any type of seed or grain, but the easiest here is probably birdseed that you can purchase at a grocery store or chain stores. And if you'd like, add nut butters or bird-friendly fruits and nuts from your pantry. Collecting used containers is the easiest. Pictured here is a plastic Gladware disposable container, a metal can, shallow like a tuna can works best, or what I ended up using, as you'll see in the video, is a dried, hollowed out squash. Next, gather your seed and grain. What I have here is dried corn on the cob and a sunflower seed mix that I bought at the store. In my pantry, I found dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, and peanut butter to add in for fun. In a glass bowl, mix your choice of seeds and nuts. Either in the microwave or on the stovetop, melt the fat that you have until liquid form, pouring carefully into the bowl with the seeds. Mix it well. What I did here was I used equal amounts of seed to fat, and I think that works best. After it's mixed and the seed is coated with the fat, pour it into your container. Refrigerate until hardened and use immediately. If you've made extra, freeze until you're ready to use it. Here are a couple recipes using other ingredients from the Farmer's Almanac website. Get creative. Add lots of different things. You don't have a container? Smear some on a pine cone. Form it into a ball with string. Or plug holes in an old log. Your feathered friends will thank you for the tasty treats. Have fun!